Hey guys, here's the next one for Blender and the Armory3d engine. In the last tutorial we created a very simple third-person controller. Now let's improve this. I want to rotate the camera around this empty object, which I called camera origin, without having the mouse button pressed. Okay, so let's open our camera controller that extends the third-person controller class again. First I will add two member variables. The first one for the rotation speed around the Z-axis, and the other one defines the rotation angle of the camera around the X-axis. In the base class, the third-person controller, there is a pre-update method in which the camera rotation is implemented. But this rotation is executed only if the mouse button is pressed. I will override this implementation because I want to rotate the camera whenever the user moves the mouse. First I check if using the input is possible and if the rigid body is initialized. Then I get the camera origin game object and rotate this in order to rotate the camera because the camera is a child of this object. But I will execute this code only if there's a change of the rotation around the X-axis, which I store in a new member variable called nextRotation. The value for this I set if the user moved the mouse, and the difference of the rotation around the axis plus the current rotation angle is in a certain range. But you have to play around with these values for the limitation of the x-axis rotation. For my setup, a range from 0.1 to -0.8 works, but it may be different for you. The reason I limit this is that I don't want the camera to rotate too far above or below the character. In the end, I rotate the character around the Z-axis with the amount of the mouse movement to the left or to the right. Okay, let's build this to check if we have some errors. Okay, here's a little typo that I correct. But then we can go ahead and press F5 to start. And here's the third-person controller. It's not perfect, but it's far better than the simple one that we started with. Okay guys, I will keep on improving this implementation and I'll let you know when I have some updates. And if you like this tutorial and my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Oh, and perhaps you think about supporting me on my Patreon, cause this would really help this channel grow. Add your ideas or wishes for future tutorials in the comments below and I will take these into consideration. Thanks for watching this and see you soon guys on JNM.